Hi everyone, in this video I refer to color number 18 as light golden brown when in fact it's light ash brown.
Hi everyone, welcome to BETH'S Hair. Thank you so much for joining me. I am so excited today because I got hair mail. It's the best time of the year when we get hair mail. I just love it. First things first, on my head is Harper. Harper is in the color Sun-Kissed Rooted, and I did a video on her. She's right over here if you want to check that out. And also remember to use discount code BBH20 for 20% off. That's all wigs, $49.99 and over, excluding clearance at Paula Young, and that's going to include your Jaclyn Smith collection of wigs as well. All right, so for hair mail, this is what I ordered. The brand new Brandy, and I ordered her in 3 colors. Now, I have had some viewers asking me about brunettes and asking me to review brunettes, so I think you're all going to be happy with me tonight. Brandy is from Paula Young, and I got her in the 3 colors. SF1228 Honey, number 18 light golden brown, and number 8, which is medium golden brown. And I'm super excited. I have not opened these. I have not peeked. They came in the mail yesterday. So I know a lot of you on the Paula Young fan page are impatiently waiting pictures. But I wanted to do this on camera so that you see my genuine reaction to the wig. So we're going to go ahead and get started with Honey. There she is, inside out. As you can see, she's just in there with bobby pins. There is no net. Somebody had mentioned on the fan group theirs didn't have a net or one of the hygiene caps, and so they sent it back. But as you can see, mine doesn't have a cap or a net. Maybe that's a way that they're saving money, because I don't know about you, but I always keep my wigs, so I end up tossing that hygiene cap. All right, so here we go. So this is that mono part. It's going to give you a lace front right there. So that's the amount of space that you have to alter your part, let's say. Now I'm going to assume that in here we have permatease to hold the curls up. You can see the covered ear tabs with the bendy metal stay, extended nape, of course the Velcro adjusters. It does feel like there's stretch in here. Oh, look at those curls. It looks beautiful. So the description says, lush layers of loose spiral curls gently cascade past the shoulders. I am going to take the tag off of this one because I know that I'm going to keep this. Now, I just bought my new Milano wig grip cap, and so it has a Velcro adjuster here, but it's like an all-in-one, so you have your hygiene cap and your velvet wig grip. And I got it in a lighter color. Normally I wear brown, but I thought when trying on the mono part, then that way it would really look like it was a part, because it's like that nude color. And if you're brand new to wigs, I hold the wig at the nape, and then I just kind of dive in with my forehead, put it right about here, and then I feel the ear tabs, and then I move it up. So I'll show you. Pull it all the way back, move your ear tabs, feel where it is. Woo! There you go. Oh my goodness. This cap feels really good. And you can see the color Honey. So Honey has those blonde, dark blonde highlights on that light brown, and then we have the medium golden brown underneath. All right, so you can see the lace here, and it looks really pretty. They have the light and the dark fibers kind of alternated, so I feel like right there it looks really natural, you know, when you do that. But then of course it ends right here. So you do see kind of the pieces and can feel them where that part ends. Now, I wish they would have spent just a little bit more money, which would have cost us more money, to just expand this out to a full lace front. It's done beautifully, so you don't actually need the lace front. I'm just telling you that that's what I like. So let's give it a look all the way around. Oh, look at those curls. Oh, it's really pretty. You can really see that kind of medium brown at the bottom and underneath of honey. Great movement. Alright, so the total measurements from Brandy, from the crown to the base to that bottom layer, is 15.5 inches. Now we have layers at 12.5 inches and at 13.5 inches. And the total weight on her is 4.4 ounces. So you can see the full 15-inch length here on me. My head is 8.5 inches from forehead to chin, and I don't have much of a neck. So you can see how it comes on me. For some of you, it may look longer on you. You might have a smaller face, a shorter face, and a smaller head circumference. My head is 22.5 inches around, so I am on the large side of average. I think it's really pretty. You know, I don't feel a ton of permatease. I do think for those of you that like bangs, I think it would be pretty easy to cut bangs. You just kind of determine how many bangs you want, where you want them, and then I just kind of do the twisty thing. And I usually start right about here at my nose or at the middle of my nose and do the trimming. And then I point cut up because I'm typically like a fringe girl. I like a longer bang. So you could definitely do that with her, and I think it would be beautiful. If you wanted to do a side part, you can. So I am right on the edge, and I'm going to show you here of where that mono lace is. So it's somewhat off center, but you can adjust it slightly by going and just sort of trying to like shimmy the top over. So you didn't really move the ear tab down, you just sort of shimmied the top over. Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa puff, shimmy, shimmy. Sorry.
Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa puff, shimmy, shimmy.
You can spritz a little bit of water to kind of scrunch up the curls a little bit more. I think it's a really nice length. I kind of feel like it's a curlier version of Sheer Passion. Sheer Passion, I did a review on it. It's gorgeous. It's 100% hand tied. They're tight. Like I said, I'm 22.5 inches around, and I pretty much shimmy in it and don't wear anything underneath, and then I just use my Ebon Wonder Lace Bond Spray to spray the front down, because I can't really fit a wig grip underneath their hand tied. They just run too petite for me. That's what I love about synthetic wigs, is that they hold their shape. They're easy. This is really pretty. I'm definitely going to order lighter colors. I'm going to order a couple blondes for summer. Super pretty. All right, we need to see some more colors. All right, so I just took out of the box. This is the number 18. That's your light golden brown. So you can see that. I will kind of turn around and show you the back. So honey, light golden brown. All right, let's put it on. All right. This is a pretty color too. Just gonna pull it back just a little bit to my hairline, 4 fingers. Ooh. Now, while it's all one color, you can kind of see in here that it does seem like it's dimensional. It seems like there's a little lighter, and maybe it's just the way the light is hitting that, but that looks golden, and it even looks like it has a root. So let's take a look at this one all the way around. So pretty. Really a beautiful warm color. This screams fall to me. And for those of my WIG sisters that have sheer passion, I think you will love Brandy. And she fits a little bit roomier. The cap, you know, these ear tabs are pretty low on me actually. They're right down here. So if you have a petite head, it might almost be a little too large for you, where these ear tabs might come a little bit low on you. But for me, they work good. You can see a little bit of my gray. I didn't color anything. It's just my white underneath. I just used the little root touch-up powder, and I do that on the sides now that I keep my head kind of closely shaven. Beautiful. So let's try the medium brown. All right, so all 3 of these came without a net. This one did have the hygiene cap in the box, but the other 2 did not. So this is your number 8. That is medium golden brown. I'll show you a little closer here. You can kind of see the crisscross in there. It's a really beautiful color, so it's different than your 812A. Your Pecan Delight has a few more highlights in it. But Pecan Delight is a captivating color. So if you're familiar with Paula Young, you know that captivating color wigs are, I think, $7 more expensive. So medium brown and light brown are regular colors. So they are $7 less than honey, which is a captivating color. All right. So let's go ahead and I'll spin and we will compare. Okay, honey, light brown, dark brown. I'm sorry, medium golden brown, light golden brown, honey. Oh, all gorgeous. So let's go ahead and put medium brown on. Ooh. Wow, that is a rich, beautiful color. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, this is really pretty. Look at this color. Oh, I know my brown girls are gonna love this. Pretty. Just beautiful. You know, these deep, rich colors, like I said, fall and winter. Oh my goodness. All right, let's spin. Gorgeous. Look at those curls, you guys. Beautiful. And it's lightweight. I mean, it's only 4.4 ounces, so it's lightweight. I love that. You know, and you can certainly, you have enough length here. I have got tags, but you could twist it up. You know, do your updos. Definitely, you can pull out some of your curly tendrils. And it's cute. You know, of course, I haven't moved the part, so you'd want to do that. All right, so I just put honey back on. You know, it's just more comfortable for me to have a few blonde highlight, but I think both of those browns are absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And this style is gorgeous. And I was just kind of thinking you could kind of go with the twists and kind of twist them back, and then maybe twist it up and put your little clip or a claw clip. I don't know, where's my claw clips? Here, we'll just go like this. Cute. I don't know what I did back there, but let's peek. Okay, there you go. Oh, that's cute. I like the way that makes it kind of trail down the curls. What a beautiful style. I really hope that you all enjoyed this look at Brandy and the 3 colors. And for all of my viewers out there who've been requesting more brown wigs, I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that it was helpful for you. The colors are just beautiful. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a beautiful Easter weekend, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.